Sukhija Accounts Teachings by Ramesh Kumar. My mobile number is 61435205206 and my mail ID is kumar.ramesh5759@yahoo.com. If you have any suggestion or any doubt, kindly write to me on my WhatsApp call, or you can give me the WhatsApp call at my mobile number. You can also write to me at my mail ID kumar.ramesh5759@yahoo.com. Now today we are going to take one more practical questions on foreign branch. In this question, X Limited had a head office at USA and branch at Calcutta. Head office is in USA, but branch is in Calcutta, India. As IFO, as IFO mean integral foreign operations, that whatever head office is doing, the same is branch is doing. Calcutta branch furnishes the trial balance to head office for the year ending 31st March 2019 as under. Medical equipments were acquired from money sent from USA $8,000. That the company acquired medical equipments from the money sent by head office $8,000. Closing stock as on 31st March 2019 was rupees 10 lakh 40,000. The branch had a closing stock of rupees 10 lakh 40,000. The rate of exchange were opening rupees 50 per USA dollar, closing rupees 52 per USA dollar, and average 51 per USA dollar. Prepare final accounts in USA dollars in head office books, charging 25% depreciation on medical equipments. In head office books, branch account showed a debit balance of 35,000 USA dollar as on 31st March 2019. Now you are given trial balance. Branch has sent his trial balance to head office in rupees. The opening stock rupees 5 lakh 60,000. Purchases and sales. Purchases are rupees 10 lakh 20,000 and sales are rupees 20 lakh 40,000. Debtors and creditors. Debtors are rupees 10 lakh 40,000 and creditors are 15 lakh 60,000. Bill receivable and bills payable. Bill receivable are rupees 5 lakh 20,000 and bills payable 10 lakh 40,000. Salaries and wages 10 lakh 20,000. Rent, rates and taxes 10 lakh 20,000. Sundry charges 5 lakh 10,000. Medical equipments rupees 2 lakh 20,000. Bank balance 15 lakh 20,000. Head office account 29 lakh 90,000. The total comes to 75 lakh 30,000. That is of debit side as well as of credit. Now first step we are doing, we are converting branch trial balance in USA head office in USA dollar. Opening stock always we convert at opening rate. Here the opening rate is rupees 50 per dollar, USA dollar. So it comes to 11,200. Purchases and sales. Purchases come to 20,000 US dollar and sales come to 40,000 US dollars. Debtors and creditors. Debtors come to 20,000 US dollar and creditors come to 30,000 US dollars. Bill receivables and payables. Bill receivables come to 10,000 US dollar and bills payable comes to 20,000 US dollar. Here we are taking closing rate for current assets and current liabilities. Wages and salaries. They come revenue expenses. So they are converted at average rate, that is 51. It is coming 20,000 US dollars. Rent, rates and taxes at 51, 20,000 US dollars. Sundry charges, average rate 51, 10,000 US dollars. Medical equipments, their value is given 8,000 US dollars. Bank balance, if we convert with closing rate, it comes to 29,231. Head office account is given 35,000. The totals come to 1,49,431 and 1,49,431. Profit on conversion is coming $24,231. Now we are proceeding trading profit and loss account of Calcutta branch in head office books as on 31st March 2019. Opening stock 11,200, purchases 20,000, buy sales 40,000, buy closing stock 20,000. So both sides 60,000 to gross profit CD 28,800. Buy gross profit BD 28,800. To salaries and wages. As I told in my previous question, if starts with wages, you will take to trading account. If starts with salaries, you will take to profit and loss account. So here we are taking to profit and loss account 20,000. To rent, rates and taxes 20,000. To sundry charges 10,000. To depreciation on medical equipment. It was given 25% depreciation on medical equipment. Medical equipments were of 8,000. 25% how much it comes? 2,000. Now on the credit side, buy profit in exchange 23,431. Credit side totals come to 52,231. When we take it to the debit side, 22,231, the net profit comes to $231. Then we are coming to balance sheet of Calcutta branch in USA books as on 31st March 2019. Liabilities amount, assets amount. Liability side, head office account 35,000. Add net profit 231, which we have taken from profit and loss account. The total comes to 35,231. Creditors 30,000. Bills payable 20,000. Total comes to 85,231. On asset side, medical equipments 8,000. Less depreciation 2,000. 6,000 in amount column. Closing stock 20,000. Sundry debtors 20,000. Bank balance 29,231 USA dollar. Bill receivable 10,000. Totals come to 85,231. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe it. This will help me to provide you the education. I want that more and more students should view this video so that they can take advantage of foreign branch. This is very helpful in your final examinations for BCom Pass, BCom Honors, MCom, ICWA and CA entrance examination. Thank you very much.